Hello, my name is Sarah Khan. I'm first female MMA fighter from Kashmir. ये बीच में क्यों? इसको मैं खोल के आऊँ. Hello, my name is Sarah Khan. I'm first female MMA fighter from Kashmir, and today we will be talking about what annoys me most as an MMA fighter. Okay, so I came all the way from Kashmir to learn boxing and then I joined Fight Fortress. So Fight Fortress is basically full of MMA fighters, MMA athletes, which inspired me to learn MMA, and that's how my MMA journey started 4 years back. I think MMA is a sport which asks a lot physically and mentally. But then being a female MMA fighter, it just gets too much sometimes. Being Asian women, we have a certain body type, but we're already very stigmatized that we don't look that strong. Our body type is not very strong, so how will we be able to do it? So that's something that I have to face a lot. If you are masculine, they would say you look like too much like a boy. But I just want to be a stronger version of a female, not a boy. So yeah. That's something. If you're very small, they would be like, oh. So they don't look for your techniques and all, they just look for how do you look, and they sexualize you a lot. शुरू में तो बहुत ज़्यादा था कि मतलब is this even a sport? It's a men's sport. You should not do it. And even till now, I have to face this a lot. People tell me this is not for girls, because it's just requires a lot of strength and females are weak. So yeah, I just have to prove them a lot. That's something I hate. And then they make fun of you like, oh, कहीं लड़ाई हो जाएगी तुम्हें बुला देंगे, and then just laugh. So things like these, yeah. So fighting is really hard. Like you have to go through a lot. You have to cut weight, so you fight in a specific weight class, so you have to cut for it just before the fight, and then you have to face a lot of injuries. Specifically fight game में बहुत ज़्यादा injuries हो जाती हैं, और फिर if injury is like not too big, उसी time में आपको उसको heal भी करना है, and then you have to fight. So that goes along. When I started, it was like quite hard. Competitions नहीं मिलते थे, opponents नहीं मिलती थी. अभी it's been like quite well. I mean, the competitions are really good. We have been also competing internationally through IMF. So Pak Federation is evolving. They have been helping us a lot. हाँ, अभी भी sponsorship की काफ़ी कमी है. उस तरह की sport नहीं है. People don't look for MMA that much. They are more into football and cricket till now. So MMA still needs a lot of sport, but the competitions are better. And the best part is there are a lot more females coming up. So it's not like कि बस लड़के ही हैं. अभी there are a lot of females who are quite strong and with techniques and all. So yeah, that's the good part. But it still needs a lot of work, yeah. So my last fight was in Karachi, VFC. I wanted to fight from a long, and I was not getting a fight. Like, I fought last year in December, and then उसके बाद कोई competition नहीं आ रहा था except from grappling, which I won also. But yeah, the Karachi fight was really good. I had to cut weight for the first time. So usually I used to be 42 to 47 kg, so इतना मसला नहीं होता था. That's my weight class. This time I was 54 to 55 kg, yeah. And I have to cut to 47.6 kg like in a week. So yeah, that was quite hard. Soana बैठना, weight cut करना, the diet changed, but everyone was very helping, my coaches, my teammates. Alhamdulillah, that went good. फिर Karachi का weather was quite different. Fight से एक week पहले flu, temperature and all of that, I had to figure out with that. fight day, I got my periods, and that was something very hard to deal with. Almost all of my fights, I had my periods. So I just hate that part that we have to go through that. And yeah, mentally it was very stressful. It was hard, but then क्योंकि मैं whenever I have my periods, I do train. So my body immune to हो गई है, but still it's hard. But I was really confident this time. The best part is I have never been that confident in me. क्योंकि इस दफ़ा mentally I was super prepared for that fight. I was going for the kill. I went into the cage, 3 domination rounds, full domination. I did everything as planned, as the fight game was, and I won 3rd round TKO, and it was a very good win for me. Most significant part of one of my fights, it was like my career highlight. NFT last year, I got into a fight with an opponent जो weight में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा थी मुझसे. But yeah, she was throwing a lot of keeps, and my coaches were telling me बाहर से कि keeps को ऐसे counter करना है, ऐसे करो. And I was trying hard, नहीं हो रहा था. And oh my god, the keeps were super hard. My stomach started hurting at some point. But pehla round, I took her down, cashed the keep. Second round, I was so exhausted. And I was like, I don't know इस fight का क्या हुआ. Even though I got the first round. But in the second round, last 10 seconds, I got into her RNC. And I did not expect it. Within 10 seconds, like 2 minutes, 59 seconds, fight खत्म होने वाली थी. I put her to sleep. और वो बेहोश हो गई. So yeah, that was something very highlighted because I got to know, my god. और मुझे पता भी नहीं था जब तक I got up and I got to know she is out. So people was really crazy about that. They always mentioned that fight. So that was my career highlight. I would really want that हमारे पास ज़्यादा opportunities हो, like more opportunities, more fights, more competitions and more sponsorships to be events हों ताकि हम ज़्यादा अच्छे perform कर सकें. So when we go abroad to fight internationally, हमारे पास ज़्यादा techniques हों और उसके साथ साथ people to take us more seriously. Like as a female fighter, people don't take us as serious as they take any other male fighter. So that's the part I really want. People start taking us seriously and don't think कि ये हमारी सिर्फ hobby है, थोड़े दिन में छोड़ देंगे. This is our profession and we are quite honest about it and we are training really hard for it. So yeah, that's something I really want to be changed.